For over 100 years, Waukesha Foundry has been an innovator in technically challenging cast components. Our metallurgical expertise and effort at utilizing advanced technologies allows us to use a wide variety of materials to tailor our customers' casting specifications. Today, as a United Stars company, Waukesha Foundry continues to innovate. The addition of vacuum melting technology through the use of our recently installed vacuum induction melt system expands the material choices available to our customers. Our customers that support aerospace and military products are making immediate use of this enhanced technology, but it will soon have benefit for our entire customer base.
Vacuum melting provides us additional refining capability over air melting, allowing precise chemistry control and maximum ability to remove gas contaminants and impurities. Prior to installing this equipment, significant time and capital was employed in research and development and understanding the process and the potential it provides. This melting process, with the addition of argon atmosphere capability, allows greater flexibility in managing the difficult elements that is beyond the capacity of traditional air melting.
Here at Waukesha Foundry, our prime directive is the attainment of the highest possible casting quality. Our product development, process management, and continuing investments in people and facilities are all focused on supporting our customer requirements. We believe the future is bright for our customers and the industries they serve. The business will continue to evolve in all facets as we strive to build the best team, the best facility, and the best products to help our customers achieve their success. To learn more about our vacuum melting capabilities, please call 262-542-0741 or contact us at sales@waukeshafoundry.com.